Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to dive into a very snapshot review about these two aircraft, which is NetJets and VistaJet. So let's quickly dive into it. NetJets in 2025 remain the giant of private aviation, offering the largest fleet and the security of back-chain hardware ownership. With options like fractional ownership and a jet card, it's perfect for frequent flyers who want guaranteed access, consistent service, and a wide variety of aircraft. The downside is the high cost of entry and ongoing fee, which make it less appealing for occasional travelers. Availability can also be tight during the peak section despite the size of the fleet. VistaJet, meanwhile, lean heavily into premium service and a global reach, with a younger fleet of Bombardier jet and a luxury consistent interior. The subscription of options like VJ25 make it more flexible for those flying fewer hours without committing to ownership. The trade-off is high cost per fleet and less flexibility in choosing a specific aircraft. So if you want skills and reliability, NetJets wins, and if you want luxury and flexibility, VistaJet is the best choice. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.